Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 40-gallon aquarium is probably one of the most versatile choices for aquarium enthusiasts. It strikes a fantastic balance between providing ample space for a diverse range of aquatic life and being manageable for both beginners and seasoned hobbyists. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 40-gallon aquariums, exploring everything you need to know to set up a thriving underwater paradise. Number 5. AquaMiracle 3-Stage Internal Aquarium Filter. This AquaMiracle filter is designed for tanks ranging from 40 to 70 gallons. It boasts a maximum flow of 225 gallons per hour and a power consumption of only 8.2 watts. Make sure you choose the right filter for your tank size. The filter features a fully submersible design with an epoxy-sealed motor for safety. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing, including submersion and high-voltage checks. This ensures the safety of your aquatic friends. It utilizes a 3-stage filtration system with coarse, carbonized, and fine sponges. The coarse sponge removes large debris, the carbonized sponge eliminates odors, and the fine sponge polishes the water. You can easily monitor the filter's condition through the transparent box. Unlike many filters, this one includes an air venturi and tubing to boost oxygen levels in your tank. This added feature is crucial for the health and well-being of your fish and turtles. For larger tanks, consider using 2 filters, one in each back corner. This setup ensures complete filtration and excellent water circulation. It also features dual water outlets for even water distribution throughout the tank. What we like. This filter boasts a 3-stage filtration system, ensuring crystal clear water. It also features a dual water outlet for even distribution and an aeration system to keep your fish happy. If you have a larger tank or want to ensure optimal water circulation, this is a great choice. What people say. It does a great job keeping the tank crystal clear. Easy to clean and maintain. It gets a lot of the physical debris sucked up and is super easy to clean. Number 4. Aqueon QuietFlow E40-gallon aquarium filter. This filter efficiently cleans and filters water, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. It removes impurities, keeping the water clear and the aquarium thriving. Installing this filter is a breeze, thanks to the suction cups and hanging clips. You can quickly set it up in your aquarium without any hassle. The auto start pump eliminates the need for priming. It automatically restarts after a power interruption, providing continuous filtration. For optimal performance, replace the filter cartridge about every 4 weeks. This ensures the filter continues to effectively clean the water. The included carbon cartridge removes odors and discoloration from the water. This helps maintain water clarity and keeps the aquarium looking its best. The bioholster promotes biological filtration, removing toxic ammonia and nitrites. This is essential for a healthy aquatic ecosystem. The coarse media sponge removes particles and debris through mechanical filtration. This helps keep the water clear and free of unwanted particles. What we like. This filter is incredibly easy to set up, with suction cups and hanging clips for quick installation. The auto start pump is a lifesaver, restarting automatically after power outages. It also includes a carbon cartridge for chemical filtration. If you are looking for a hassle-free filter that provides comprehensive filtration, this is the one for you. What people say. I bought this for its ability to function in shallow water. The water is crystal clear at all times. The suction cups work well and keep the filter at whatever position you place it, and there's also an option to hang it with hooks on the inside. Number 3. AquaMiracle Aquarium Filter for 40 to 150 gallon. This AquaMiracle filter is designed for tanks ranging from 40 to 150 gallons. It offers powerful filtration, aeration, and circulation to keep your aquatic environment healthy. The adjustable flow rate ensures it meets the specific needs of your fish and plants. The filter features an adjustable flow rate to suit different tank requirements. It also includes aeration and rainfall modes. These modes help to increase oxygen levels and provide gentle water distribution. This fish tank filter is fully submersible with an epoxy-sealed motor for safety. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing, including submersion and high-voltage checks. This ensures the product is safe for use in your aquarium. The filter uses a 3-stage filtration system with coarse, carbonized, and fine sponges. This removes impurities, odors, and fine particles. The transparent box makes it easy to monitor the filter's condition. This filter is not just for fish tanks, it's also suitable for turtle tanks and small ponds. It can be positioned vertically or horizontally, providing flexible placement options. Remember to always fully submerge it in water for optimal performance. What we like. This filter offers an adjustable flow rate, allowing you to customize the water movement for your specific needs. It features both aeration and rainfall modes, providing versatility for your aquatic environment. It can also be used in turtle tanks and small ponds. If you like to have options and want a filter that adapts to different setups, consider this. What people say. The filter worked exceptionally well right out of the box. Within a few hours of setting it up, my tank was sparkling clean. It effectively removed debris and impurities, leaving the water crystal clear and healthy for my fish. The filter is designed with user convenience in mind. It operates quietly, so it doesn't disturb the peaceful environment of the tank. The components fit together seamlessly, and the build quality is excellent, ensuring durability and reliable performance. Cleaning and maintaining the filter is hassle-free. The parts are easy to disassemble and reassemble, making regular maintenance tasks quick and simple. Number 2. AquaMiracle 4-Stage Submersible Aquarium Filter. Introducing the AquaMiracle filter, designed to keep your aquarium water crystal clear. This filter provides powerful filtration to maintain a healthy environment for your fish. With a 225 GPH flow rate and 8.2 W power, it's perfect for 40 to 70 gallon tanks. The filter ensures efficient water circulation and effective cleaning. The filter features a fully epoxy-sealed motor, rigorously tested to prevent any electrical leakage. This design prioritizes the safety of your fish and your peace of mind. This filter utilizes a 4-stage filtration system, including coarse and fine sponges, bioballs, and a carbonized sponge. This comprehensive system removes impurities, cultivates beneficial bacteria, and absorbs odors. The filter includes accessories to increase oxygen supply. For optimal aeration, position the filter appropriately and ensure the air regulator is above the water level. For tanks larger than 70 gallons, consider using 2 filters, placed in the back corners. This will provide complete filtration and improved water circulation throughout the tank. What we like. This filter provides true 4-stage filtration, including bioballs for beneficial bacteria. The motor is fully sealed for safety. It also comes with accessories to increase oxygen supply. If you are looking for a filter that prioritizes biological filtration and water clarity, this is a great option. What people say. I just got it, put it together and it worked, I had no issues, and it has a valve to slow the water output, it's so quiet compared to the external one that I have to keep checking to see if it's on. Ordered this for my 75-gallon fish tank. Cleans it up real good. Especially with my 2 turtles, the water gets dirty so fast. At first my tank water was murky because I poured the water in too fast on my sand substrate, but the filter cleared it up in 2 days. I was very impressed. It's not loud, except when you unscrew the nozzle it makes a little bit of noise but not noticeable. Number 1. Fiji Cube 40-gallon Refugium Sump Baffle Kit. This kit is designed to give you full control. It allows you to customize the space for your protein skimmer, media reactor, Refugium, and other equipment. With this, you can create the perfect environment for your aquatic life. Need to fine-tune the water level? This kit allows you to adjust the water level between 4.5 to 8 inches. This feature ensures that it meets the specific height requirements of your protein skimmer. Tired of noisy sumps? This kit includes filter sock silencers. They help to significantly reduce the noise caused by water flowing into the filter socks, creating a quieter environment. This kit comes with integrated filter sock holders. It can hold up to 4 filter bags, providing ample filtration capacity for your aquarium. This makes maintenance easier and more efficient. This kit is compatible with various 40-gallon breeder aquarium tanks. It fits brands like Marineland, Tetra, Top Fin, PetSmart, Aqueon, and Sepra, Canada. Please note that the glass tank is not included. What we like. This kit allows you to customize the space within your sump for various equipment. The water level is adjustable to meet your protein skimmers requirements. It also includes filter sock silencers to reduce noise. If you are looking to build a custom filtration system, this kit offers the flexibility you need. What people say. Excellent Sump Baffle kit. Everything is precision made and screams quality. It fits my 40-gallon top fin breeder from PetSmart just great. High quality product. Fairly easy installation. Had very good directions unlike a previous seller I purchased from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.